morning everyone, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Yesterday we were discussing the basic concept of geometry where we seen point, line segment and parallel line. Today also we will continue with that, and after that we'll discuss the question answer from the exercise. Alright, so here we have collinear points. Now what is this collinear points? When three or more than 3 points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Okay, now here you can see we have 3 points and all 3 are where? You can see lying on the line. Clear now? You can see the point A, B and C. So if 3 points are there or more than that, in that case they are what? Collinear points. Am I clear you all? Okay. Now next we have non-collinear points. When 3 or more than 3 points are not on the same line. Please remember, when 3 or more than 3 points are not on the same line. Here you can see we have 2 points C and D. But according to the rule, what is mentioned here? 3 or more than 3. Alright. Not on the same line, they are called non-collinear points. Here you can see the example. Here point A, point B, point E. They are not on the line. They are outside of the line. Clear now? So this is the example of non-collinear point. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay. Now we have plane. A plane. Now what is this plane? It is a flat surface. It is a flat surface. Flat surface in by example you can understand a wall of a room. Okay, a wall of a room, a table surface where we can keep the copies, book, surface of blackboard where we can write. All right, a plain paper. These are the example of plane. These are the example of a plane. A plane has no boundary. This has no boundary, so we can't draw on a paper. This is A, please correct it. Okay, and hence cannot be drawn on a paper. Alright, because this has no boundary, no limitation is there, so we cannot draw on a paper. Alright, clear? So this is about a plane. Then now we have exercise 18.1. We'll discuss question number 1. So first, question number 1. Which of the following has 2 endpoints? Which of the following has 2? Basically this is question number A, I think, and in that this is question number 1. Which of the following has 2 endpoints? So we already discussed about line segment. There the end point is fixed, which we can measure. Alright, so the answer is option 3, a line segments. Clear now? Question number 2. Which of the following has only one end point? When we are discussing about ray, in that I made you understand, in ray starting point is fixed. Starting point is fixed. So one point is fixed there. Alright, so that is what? A ray. Then question number 3, which of the following has no end point? What? Line. Line does not have any end point. Okay, that can be extended both the side endlessly. Alright, next question number 4, which of the following has a definite length? Definite length means the length which we can measure. Fixed length. What is that? A line segment. Answer is 2. A line segments. Clear? Question number 5. Which of the following can be drawn on a piece of paper? It's 100% sure. Line segment we can draw on the piece of paper, because according to the measurement we can draw now. Okay, so that is the answer. And last question. Which of the following cannot be drawn on a piece of paper? Ray, starting point is fixed, but other side is not fixed. है ना. One side is fixed but the one side is not fixed na, that we can draw endlessly. All right, so that cannot be drawn a piece of paper. Same with the case of plane. Just now we studied about the plane. A plane has no boundary and hence cannot be drawn on a paper. Clear now? So I hope today whatever I discussed with you, each and everything is clear to you all. Thank you.